To change color of text throughout your Squarespace website, click Paintbrush icon, then select Colors. Click Pencil icon against Primary Color Theme. Head over to Text Tweaks. Here you can customize color of all types of text headings and paragraphs. You can keep one color for all of them or apply different color for each type of text. For your better understanding, I have already written text in 4 types of headings and 3 types of paragraphs. I will apply different color to each type of text. Let's change color of heading 1. Click on color circle against heading extra large. Choose any color from palette or click custom. In color picker, choose basic color through bottom slider circle. As you move field circle, your favorite color will be instantly applied to heading 1 in preview. Repeat same process to change color of other types of text. To select your favorite color, you can also use color codes, as we did in previous video of background color changing. Another option is using any of 5 given colors in the palette. As I did for changing text color of heading 3 and heading 4, just select any color in palette and it will be applied on text. Follow same procedure for changing text of any type of paragraph. I have used different colors only for demo. You should only use 2 or 3 colors throughout website for coherence. As I am using primary color theme, color tweaks will apply to all pages on website. If you want to apply a different color for text only on a specific section on page, you should use any general color theme. Watch our other video to understand difference in primary and general color themes. Follow same method to change color of text links. Head over to links entry. Just notice inside preview that as I move color circle, color of link text automatically changes to respective color. It is a good idea to choose some contrasting colors for links. Now let's change color of buttons on Squarespace website. Under button entry, first choose background color of button in color picker. I have chosen yellow background, but white text does not provide better contrast with yellow background. Therefore, I must choose some dark color for button text. As I am editing button colors in primary color theme of template, my color tweaks will apply to all buttons on website. You can see same button colors on all pages. Even if I create a new page or section and then add button, it will follow the same button colors as you can see in this section. However, if I want to apply a different color for a button on a page, I will apply some other general color theme as I did in this section. I can also change button colors in any color theme. On same lines, you can also change text color of all other micro tweaks in theme editor. You can explore all tweaks yourself. To keep this video short, let me give you demo for only few color tweaks. For example, here I am changing colors of links in navigation menu on top of page. You can also change color of social media icons. You can also change title colors of blog posts as you can see in preview here. You can do many more color customizations here, such as color of comments, post meta, or color of author profile. You can also change title color of product detail page, along with color of price, description, etc. You can also change color of quote blocks. In short, you can customize any of micro color tweaks with same method in all 10 color themes. One thing that you must always remember is that you should customize color tweaks in primary color theme if you want to apply changes all over website with one click. Otherwise, use any of general color theme. After color customizations, click done and save changes. I will prefer to discard changes. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your